it's a really amazing thing to me that this fantastic vehicle, 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, is sort of thought about as a family vehicle only. As a single man living in the city, I just need to attest to how incredibly useful this thing is. Stow N Go seats, I've got a bike in here, I've got luggage for the weekend to go and visit friends from out of town. I could fit anything that I want in here. I could live in here if I wanted to. This is a practical vehicle that makes sense for any type of lifestyle. Let's break the stigma. Not cool? I don't think so. I think this is the coolest vehicle that I could possibly be in today. Uncool no more. 2021. Look at the space behind me. Am I sitting in a full room here? It certainly feels that way. This is a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm just showing you the amount of sheer space that I have in this thing when I put the Stow N Go seats down into the floor. Cargo space is unreal. I've got everything that I need here for a great day out of the city. The one thing that everybody in the city loves to do is leave the city. What I've done today is come to beautiful, historic Paris, Ontario. A little bit of a gem on the Grand River that people are starting to talk about. It used to be a best kept secret, no longer. I got my bicycle in the car. I'm gonna go for a ride along the Grand River. And I'm telling you, this is the type of thing you should be doing if you live in Toronto right now. In a van like this, it's easy. So this is the rail trail. This will take you all the way from Cambridge to Hamilton. Beautiful trail, nice and open, beautiful road. I'm shaded, it's a beautiful sunny day. Can't see it right now, but that's the Grand River down there. Pretty cool. All because of my Chrysler Pacifica. That's why I was able to do it. That's a great 25 kilometers ridden along the banks of the Grand, all thanks to this baby, Chrysler Pacifica. I wouldn't have been able to fit my bike in this van if it wasn't for a Chrysler Pacifica with those Stow N Go seats. Maybe a Chrysler Caravan as well. You gotta go for the Pacifica with upgrades. It's a great ride. It's a great day.